Hi, I recently got 4 used bookcases, which are perfect for me, except the backs are cardboard and it's all messed up. So I've got to put new backs on them. I'm putting new backs on them with this melamine coated masonite. Those brand names might not be correct, but that's basically what it is. And the thing is, each bookcase is 24 and 1/2 inches wide, and a sheet of this is 48 inches wide. So I either buy 4 sheets and cut 24 and 1/2 off of them and have a big leftover piece that's useless for this project, or I'm going to do a little thing here to get two 24 and 1/2 inch wide pieces out of one 48 inch wide board. And I've gotten them both together. I've clamped them up nice and tight together, perfectly aligned, so I only got to mark once and cut once. So that's what we're doing. Three-quarters of an inch. Okay, I gotta get a circle that's 3/4 of an inch. Nickel, penny, and a dime are all about 3/4 of an inch. The dime's a tiny bit smaller, so allowing for pencil thickness. There we go. One other thing is these only need to be 70 inches high, so I've only got to go to 70 inches. This is right. Yeah, it's probably best to cut that off first. Boom. There you go. Happy day to you.
Later that evening, inside the house,
Ta-da! There you go. Okay. Yeah, let's put it out here. Yep, one hit. One nail hit. Or missed, I should say. Good, there we go. Got it. So there you go, good as new. I've got 4 of these. They'll go side by side and fill up the whole wall out there. And I can bring all my books in from out there. Right, that's good and sturdy now, as opposed to that little cardboard thing we had. So there you go. The story of the bookcase backs. That's the way it is. Happy day to you.